Once the hazard alarm is in its permanent location, you can test it and configure the siren to activate, as well as choose a repeating interval for the strobe lights and/or siren. Additionally, the hazard alarm is continuously logging activation events and communication with the hazard call server. In the event communication is lost, the hazard call server can send an email notification. Prior to delivery of the hazard alarm unit, customer support will email you a URL that looks like this. The 6 X's at the end are a unique character string for your box. We recommend that you bookmark this URL for future reference. You can use either a phone, tablet, or laptop and enter that URL in a browser. When you do, you'll see a display like this. The map displays live weather data, and you can pan, zoom, or loop the display. Active tornado warnings will appear in red and severe thunderstorm warnings in yellow. Lightning bolt icons will appear periodically as lightning is detected by hazard call servers. First, click on Test Device, and you will see the following menu. By clicking on Test Audible Alarm, the device will make a piercing alarm sound for a few seconds like this. Click on Test Communications. That will send a test message to the hazard call server. Confirmation can be seen in the device history log. Click on Send Tornado Activation, and the red tornado strobe lights will flash. Click on Send Tornado Clear, and the red tornado strobe lights will stop flashing. Click on Send Lightning Activation, and the white strobe lights will flash. Click on Send Lightning Clear, and the white strobe lights will stop flashing. Once you confirm successful test of these, select Exit Test. Then, once you're back at the main menu, select Settings. Now let's run through some of the settings. First, you can assign email addresses of people who will receive notifications if the connection from the hazard call server and your hazard alarm unit is lost. Select Update Email, and you will see this menu. Enter as many as 4 email addresses, then select Update Email to save the email addresses. Click Exit and return to the Settings menu and select Update Name. If needed, you can change the name assigned to this unit. When your unit arrives, it will typically have a name that was decided prior to purchase. If you change it, click Update Name and select Exit to return to the Settings menu. Next, select Sound Settings, which displays the following menu of choices. Checking the box next to Enable Audio Alarm will cause the siren to sound when either lightning is present or the hazard alarm is in a tornado warning. In duration of audible alarm, you can specify the amount of time in seconds that the siren will sound once it's activated. Volume of audible alarm is how loud the alarm will be on a scale of 0 to 100. You may need to test this a couple of times to find the volume setting that is right for you. Checking the box next to Enable Repeating Audible Alarm allows for the hazard alarm to repeat every few minutes after it is initially activated. Now, if this box is unchecked, the hazard alarm will continuously sound the alarm, if you've checked that, and flash the strobe lights until the weather event expires as determined by hazard call servers. If you check Enable Repeating Audible Alarm, you can specify how often that alarm will repeat in minutes by specifying it in the box below. Once you've changed these settings, be sure to select Update Settings to save them. Now hit Exit Settings, and let's explore some of the other setting options. By selecting Check Lightning Data, you'll see a display of the number of strikes within the last minute as well as the last 15 minutes. By selecting View Device Info, you can see internal configuration information that may be needed for troubleshooting technical issues. You'll rarely click on this unless there is a problem. Select Exit to return to the main menu. The final option you need to know about is View Device History. By clicking on View Device History, you'll see a list of all events, including activations, tests, and lost connections. Well, that's it. You're ready to let the hazard alarm listen and sound the alarm when dangerous weather is headed in. If you're responsible for an outdoor recreation area, you'll quickly see how well Hazard Alarm performs when it counts. Once again, if you ever have any questions or problems with the operation of this device, please email our customer service support team at support@hazardcall.com.